Right, what I want to show you with this video is how to get lines that come straight off this cutting plane over here, to get that XY axis parallel to that cutting plane, and to make sure that these lines coming off these points come off at exactly 90 degrees. Now, I'm sure that most of you have probably been taught that the way to do that is to take your two set squares, and you would line this set square up over here, and then you would slide it out from there, and then you draw your XY axis, and then you slide it back again, and then you take this set square over here, and you go to those points, and you hold this down firmly, and you place that over there, and you draw lines coming out from all of these points over here. And what happens is that somewhere along the line you slip and you move or whatever, and then your lines are not going at 90 degrees, which is a bit of a problem. So the solution to that problem is, well, since you're doing an exam on A3 sheets of paper, you can dislodge that paper from your board very, very easily. You can take your ruler, you can place your piece of paper on the board nice and easily like that, line your cutting plane up with the ruler, get yourself some of this wonderful stuff called masking tape, and you can just tape your drawing down onto the board. There we go. There we go. Now it's not moving anywhere, and I can now draw a line parallel to the XY axis, parallel to the cutting plane. There it is. There's my XY axis, perfectly parallel. I can then take my set square, and I can take lines coming off all of these points over here very, very easily in order to get lines coming off at 90 degrees to any one of those points. Right, that's how I would do it. And then obviously what I've got to do is to take measurements from the XY axis over here and take it, find B, let's go up there, there's B. Let's go from the XY axis to E. Go over there, find E, take it over there, plant E, and etc, etc. There's D over there, find D, go up there, there's D. Those distances there are the same as those distances there, are the same as those distances there. Always remember that. Never ever take a distance from that XY axis to D and then expect to find it over there. That's not going to work. You can see that, it just is going to be a mess. Always from this view, I always like to say take it from the most accurate view you've got of the object, and then take that to the new view over here. So there would be distance C to distance C, distance D to distance D. There it is. All right.